Okay, so today I am going to show you how to solve an addition problem using the chunking method. And the chunking method is when you add by convenient chunks until you get your final answer. So it's kind of like breaking one part of the problem apart and then adding it on in chunks. So today my problem is going to be Tom had 4 base 5 bugs. For his birthday, Tom received 1 long 3 base 5 more bugs. How many bugs does Tom have now? So, to start out, I'm going to solve this problem using notation. So you're going to start with your 4 base 5 bugs. And since you have your 1 long 3 that you're adding to it, you're going to add on 1 long because that's your first easy chunk that you can add. And then from that, you get 1 long 4 base 5. So now that you've added your 1 long, you still have 3 units left to add on to get your final answer. So from this, I'm going to add on 1 unit to make my answer 2 longs. So now I've added 10 long 1, and then since I'm adding 1 long 3 altogether, I have 2 more longs that I need to add. So I'm just going to go ahead and add those 2 longs. And then my final answer is 2 long 2 base 5. And then to check yourself, you can always go back and see, okay, so you started out with the 4 longs, or 4 units, and you add the 1 long 3. So here's your 4 units that you started out with. And then here's 1 long. Here's 1 unit and 2 units. So this is 3 and this is 1 long. So there's your 1 long 3. So now that I know that I got my answer using the notation, I'm going to show how you get your answer using a picture. So again, you'll start out with your 4 units base 5. And then, since it's easiest to add your long first, you'll add your long, and that gives you 1 long, 4 units, and then you still have your 3 units from your 1 long 3 that you need to add on. So from there, you'll add on 1 unit to make this an even 2 long, and now you have your 2 units left over from the 1 long 3. So you add those on. And so your final answer would be 2 long 2 base 5.